Oh my God, Freya, I can see you.
In a more sustainable way. Today, it's on a global scale. We know much more about Earth's ecosystems and the impact of large-scale environmental destruction. And yet, we continue down the same perilous path. Our continued destruction of the biosphere could cause the extinction of up to 1/5 of all living species.
What we don't know is whether, as we convert forests to cropland, as we modify landscapes with building cities,